Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click and subscribe if you want more videos.
Once there was a man named John who had a high-paying job in finance. Despite the financial security, he was unhappy and unfulfilled. John had always been passionate about cooking, but he never pursued it as a career because he thought it was too risky. However, one day he decided to quit his job and pursue his passion for cooking full-time. At first, it was a struggle for John. He had to start from scratch, learning the ins and outs of the culinary industry and building his brand. But he was determined to make it work. He started by catering small events and hosting pop-up dinners. Slowly but surely, he built a following and began to get noticed by food critics and influencers. Eventually, John opened his own restaurant, which quickly became a local favorite. His unique dishes and dedication to using locally sourced ingredients made him stand out in the competitive culinary scene. John was finally doing what he loved, and he was happier than ever before.
Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.